boys and girls, we're going to do some more beginning sounds now. Our first one is a lion. What do you hear at the beginning of lion? Is it D or L? Lion. Yep, it is the L. Next picture is a goat. What do you hear at the beginning of goat? Is it G or B? G. It is G. Goat. If it was B, it would be a boat, and that's not a boat. It's a goat. Next one is a zebra. Does that start with Y or Z? Zebra starts with a Z sound. Our next picture is ring. What do you hear? Ring. Is it or K? It's Go down to our next row, and now we have a king. Do you hear a K or a T at the beginning of king? It's K, king. Our next picture is a watch. Listen to the word watch. Do you hear F or R at the beginning? It is watch. Ooh. And then we have horse. Listen to horse. Do you hear H at the beginning or N at the beginning? Horse starts with H. And our last one is a moon. What do you hear at the beginning of moon? Is it M or S? Yep, it's M for moon. And those are our words with the beginning sounds. Have a great day.